People don't just Google things anymore. They ask ChatGPT, they ask Claude, they ask Perplexity. And if your website does not show up in those answers, you are going to be invisible to a growing chunk of potential customers. A lot of people ask me, how do I show up in ChatGPT? So funnily enough, it's the same way that you show up in Google. You need to provide value. You need to create content that is genuinely useful for people. It's not about little tricks and black hat techniques, but actually being helpful. And how you show up on Google and the other search engines is going to affect how you show up in the large language models. Remember, they are primarily scraping the internet. And if you've already built up an authoritative place on the internet via your blog or your website, that is going to cross over into your AI search, which means that search engine optimization, SEO, which is basically a fancy way of saying getting to the top of Google, is still really important. Sure, there's a whole new field of GEO or AIEO or whatever we're going to be calling it, but it's still very much based in search engine optimization. You have to start and build your foundation there first and foremost. And good news is somebody has built a Claude skill. This is a free Claude Code skill that is going to audit your whole website and provide a plan for search engine optimization, which you're then going to feed back into Claude Code to implement for you. I've written an entire guide for you about how to install a skill, get it to run an audit, understand what it means, and build an implementation agent. Available for free if you just comment SEO below this video or check the link in my bio. Make sure you're following for more actionable advice about how to genuinely use artificial intelligence to grow your business.